Hi my love, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be in partnership with Ipsy. Just kidding. It's not in partnership with them. But they did send me over their Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag to share with you guys. I'm going to have the link if you guys want to subscribe to the Ipsy Glam Bag down below in the description box. I haven't done an Ipsy unboxing with you guys in quite a minute. It's been maybe like 2 years since I last did one. So I'm excited to share with you guys everything that I did receive. I also did this look that you guys are seeing on my face using the basic Ipsy Glam Bag. The basic one is $13 and I believe the Glam Bag Plus is $25 or $30. I will have the prices listed down below in the description box so that you guys can check it out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into seeing everything that I received in this month's box.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm going to get started with unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let me show you guys what is in here. We have this Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer from Kate Somerville. This contains lactic acid, hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to improve your pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. This is in a mint shade and it also is extremely moisturizing. Your skin is going to love this stuff. Okay, and then next we also have this glass primer. This is the primer for a flawless glow by Rodial. Rodial? I don't know how to pronounce it, girl, but Rodial? This is a sheer hydrating primer with a soft glow that keeps skin looking plump and moisturized with a flawless glass skin effect. The Glow Microspheres provide skin radiance, creating a luminous canvas. It will keep your skin looking cooled, calmed, and prepped for makeup. It creates a protective barrier for the skin to lock in water, giving an instant moisture feel. You can wear this alone for a hydrated, glowing veil, or you can pair it with makeup for a natural, luminous glass skin base. The third item is this LMS Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. This is a reviving eye cream for tired, overworked eyes. It's supposed to help deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and poofiness appear reduced with this product. The directions say that you're supposed to lightly apply to the eye contour area. The fourth item inside of the box is this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is a rich hand cream. It drenches your hands in velvety smoothness. While marine and floral notes awaken your senses, you are sea-kissed. You can apply this anytime. It's approved for sensitive skin. And let me just say that this is very, very hydrating. It is a thicker cream. So if you are experiencing like those just dry looking hands, I always have dry looking hands because I am constantly washing my hands. I don't know what it is with me. Even before COVID, I just I wash my hands very often. I'm a germaphobe. So yeah. And it just smells so wonderful. Like, it smells so good. So good. Trust me on that, okay? It smells amazing. If you received it, you are lucky because this thing right here, not only does it make a perfect stocking stuffer, or you can just keep it in your car, you can just carry it around. Okay, and then the last item inside of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a brush set from Belle and Argent. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll put the name on the screen because I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. I mispronounce a lot of things and a lot of people tend to leave me comments like, oh, you're not saying that right. Okay, it's okay. I don't say everything correctly. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, here are the makeup brushes that are inside of the... How do I take... Oh, ay, estúpida. This is what they look like. They are very soft. What kind of hair is this? I'll put the information in the description box because I don't know if this feels synthetic. Like, it just feels really soft to be synthetic. So I'm guessing this is like more of a... Oh, it says it right here. The leading Lady Power... Oh, hold on. The leading Lady Power Bronze and Buff Brush. Okay, so this is a buffing brush. You can just like put your powder onto your face like that. And then this one is the Spotlight Blush and Highlight Brush. Did I say? I don't know, girl. I don't even know what language I'm speaking right now. But I would personally use this to contour. I think this would make a perfect contour brush. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus does come with this little bag right here. Really cute. Love the pink and the gold. You can just close it up and put all the products in there if you want to gift it. I mean, you can just save some money, you know. Just give somebody your Ipsy box. Now we have this Ipsy Rose Gold little bag. Very cute. Love it. I'm going to show you guys what's in here. We have, of course, you guys know that Ipsy, the basic one, is they're more of like travel size. They're like really small items, but I think you guys are really gonna like the products that are inside of this month's. I really liked all the products in here, so I kind of want to take you guys through a tutorial using all of them, and I will come back with you guys to share with you guys my thoughts in regards to all of the products that are in here. Very quickly, I'm going to get started with using the Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry and Dewy Lip Remedy. This product here, let me read up on it, hold on. This is a nourishing jelly textured lip balm that leaves a dewy layer of hydration for smooth, supple lips without the stickiness, made with rice bran and castor seed oils, which are naturally rich in antioxidants to help keep lips soft, shiny, and healthy looking. We have also infused this glow-giving formula with cranberry, raspberry, and johi berry extracts to help boost skin elasticity as well as soothe chapped lips. The next item inside of this Ipsy Glam Bag is the Orizza Beauty Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow. This is a quad of 4 eyeshadows. I'm going to get started with the tutorial. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying it on the outer corner of the eye with a really fluffy brush and just depositing the color and slowly working my way inward towards the beginning of by my water duct, and I'm just blending everything. And I wanted to start depositing the color at the outer corner first, and then just dragging the rest of the remaining of the eyeshadow onto that beginning portion, just so that we have a very soft inner part of the eye. And then I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow and applying it to the outer corner of the eye and blending upwards towards like my eyebrow. And then moving along to my first shimmer from the palette, I'm taking this color right here, and I'm applying that all over the eyelid. Once I have done that, I'm going to take the second shimmer from this little palette, and I'm going to be applying it to the water duct, just so that it kind of adds a little something. Then we're going to be trying this Dragon Beauty Dragon Wing eyeliner. This liquid liner, I wanted to be very honest with you. The tip is very fine, so it is very time consuming to fill in your wing with this product. It is a true black, which is something that I really like. But as you begin to fill in your eyeliner, which I told you it is very time consuming, I noticed that it started to crumble. So it is not my favorite liquid liner, but I just wanted to mention it to you guys. Then the third item, oh no, hold on. The fourth item inside of the box is this Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Mascara. I actually really did like this mascara and how it builds up on my eyelashes without getting clumpy. So that is it. I didn't even apply any fake eyelashes today. I kind of wanted to keep it very simple. I actually did enjoy playing around with all of these products that I just used, with the exception of the Dragon Beauty eyeliner. That one, it was not my favorite. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, what you guys are excited to receive in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or Glam Bag, because I think I enjoyed the Glam Bag a little bit more than the Glam Bag Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I wanted to mention to you guys that I'm going to be in the process of moving here very soon, and yeah, I don't know how long it's going to be. Like, you guys probably have noticed that my videos have slowed down. I was posting 3 to 4 videos per week, and now I'm lucky if I even get one up a week. I am just, you know, it's a process to move, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to get back on my schedule. So bear with me. I thank you guys so much for being here today, showing up for me. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, so that you can just continue watching my videos, because I'd really appreciate it. Okay, because a lot of time goes into these videos, and sometimes I'm just like, will they even notice if I'm gone? I hope you guys notice. But I will be back soon, okay? So don't miss me too much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.